Welcome to Castello di Guarene. It's a hidden gem in the Piedmont region of Italy. This 18th century Baroque castle looks like something out of a fairy tale, but stepping inside feels like walking straight into history, in the most surreal way. Everything feels incredibly authentic, from the creaky wooden floors and antique furniture to the original oil paintings and velvet drapes. I never really discovered what this room was. It was just a big room full of standing water, but you walk through it to get to this long corridor. With only 13 rooms in the entire castle. It's strangely quiet. You barely see anyone, which makes it feel kind of eerie, like you have the whole place to yourself. Each room is completely unique, with hand-painted ceilings, centuries-old furniture, and even hidden doors that once led to servants' quarters. Some rooms have views overlooking the UNESCO-protected Longuet vineyards. It's literally waking up in a painting. One of the coolest parts is the underground spa, tucked into the old cellar and lit almost entirely by candlelight. It feels like a royal secret hideaway. The food is also a highlight, locally sourced from the region with fresh pasta, truffles, and wines from nearby vineyards. Everything about the experience feels intimate, luxurious, and totally transportive. If you're looking for a castle stay that doesn't feel staged or touristy, Castello di Guarene is the real deal.